See, your girl Kay got us all working. Look, got the kids working. Woo! Long hours, man.
97-degree weather.
And your mom worked for you, so you gotta work for her, right?
Yeah.
Where Coda at? Coda,
That's beautiful.
you ready to go to work for mommy?
It's my boys.
You like, it's
My
sunny.
boys and my
You ready to go to work for mommy, bro?
Alright, boys.
Kaz is always
Let
one.
me get that. Close the hood
She
first.
got me out here, shirt out, see six-pack out, got the boys out. Kyra was like, yo, mom, should I take my shirt off too? Right, Rowie? You ready to take that shirt off? It's hot?
Closing of the hood, okay.
Yeah.
Closing a baby.
No, they
Look at
can.
my
I just
baby.
want
Look at
them
my
to-
baby.
Coda to be able. Yep. All the three of them
Look at
get
him.
the back and Coda on maybe Jackson's lap.
Sheesh.
And let me get Jackson actually behind me.
Sheesh.
See Coda.
We're doing the closing the hood.
Hold the bags.
No, we're doing the
Let
dead.
me tell y'all something. This is a day with K. Y'all have no idea what's
We
coming.
need the closing for this one.
Yo.
So just the closing.
You okay?
Yeah.
The boys.
You ready to do this for mommy? Let's get it. Say love you, mommy.
Get y'all to the same walls.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.